Behind a simple phone lens, the morning light slowly unfolds. A journey begins, not with a heavy camera, but with a small grip filled with curiosity. Winding roads lead to the mountains. Thin mist dances in the air. Every step becomes part of a story that never stops. Waterfalls fall with a trembling sound. Trees sway with the wind. Nature is not just a backdrop, but the main character that always speaks. Each shot is a sentence, each light a meaning. Photography with a phone becomes a language, simple yet full of depth. There are moments that come only once, a blink of an eye, then gone. Yet with a small grip, those moments remain alive forever. Rain falls, roads become slippery. All of it becomes part of the tale, part of the struggle that makes every frame more valuable. Behind a small lens, freedom is found. No boundaries, only an honest gaze upon the world. This is not just photography. This is a journey about nature, about light, and about stories that continue to live within a simple grip.
Ôi.